Welcome, welcome, and thank you for tuning in as we learn this beautiful Garifuna language. Recibenumuti, manugunda garalaha chuluru, lu afrenduru Garifuna. Today, we are taking a listen to a song by the legendary Lloyd Augustine. The song is entitled Seremein Lun Baba, which is also the self-entitled album. And we are taking a look at the first two sentences of the song. And here it goes. So in the song he says, Sagu Binafi Nasaru Rutina Seremein Lun Baba. And that translates to, every morning that I wake up, I give thanks to God. And I hope that this is an opportunity for everyone to do just that. To remember to give thanks to God when we wake up. Thank you very much for spending your most valuable resource, your time. And until the next lesson, Seremein, Ayo. Waguni baga